Ultimate secret to level up fast in Blox Fruits. Discover the hidden island and use secret codes to boost your XP like never before. Did you know there's a secret island in Blox Fruits that gives you a massive XP boost? Discover this hidden gem and watch your levels skyrocket while your friends wonder how you did it. Next up, let's hit the top grinding spots. These locations are perfect for fast leveling. Avoid getting stuck in traps and focus on these areas to maximize your XP gains efficiently. Want to double your XP? Use these lesser-known codes to give yourself an edge. Enter them in-game and watch your progress zoom ahead of the competition. It's like a cheat code for success.
Equip yourself with the best gear to boost your stats and dominate every battle. Choose wisely, and you'll find yourself leveling up faster than ever. It's time to become the hero of Blox Fruits. Timing is everything. Plan your grinding sessions around double XP events to maximize your rewards. Hit the right timing, and your XP will double, pushing you to the top of the leaderboard. Try these tips in your next game and watch your levels soar. Comment below if they work for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more hidden Roblox secrets every day.